This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Jeep Wrangler interior lights. Start by disconnecting the battery to prevent shorts and accidental airbag deployment. Remove the dome lens carefully with a plastic trim tool to avoid scratches. Note the bulb type and orientation before pulling the old bulb straight out. Insert the new bulb, test the light while the battery is still disconnected, then reconnect, gather tools and parts so the job goes smoothly. A plastic trim tool, gloves, a clean cloth, and the correct replacement bulbs are essential. Confirm the bulb's size and type before you start to avoid returns. Work in a well-lit area and keep small parts organized so you do not lose screws or clips. Take a quick photo of the original setup to reference during reassembly. Follow a clear step-by-step approach to avoid mistakes. Disconnect the negative battery terminal first, then gently pry off the dome lens using a trim tool. Remove the old bulb and inspect the socket for corrosion or damage, cleaning if needed. Insert the new bulb, reconnect the battery, and test the lights before snapping the lens back in place. Confirm all clips are secure and the light functions with each switch position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.